You okay?
Yeah,
That's light. I like this. Yeah, I have actually. I feel like I forgot something because it's not as much as I usually have. Cool. Thank you. See you later. See you in a bit. Good morning.
yeah, good thanks.
Hey. How are you, okay?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. You?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks. You okay?
Good, thanks. I've just woken up from a big nap.
Oh,
so.
nice.
Hi-ho!
Hello, love.
No.
Look at you.
No, I am.
You
I
look
can't
so
help it.
great.
Thank you. Oh. Thought I'd make an effort today.
Hey.
How is everyone?
Good. You okay?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
Got a little one this time because we're going to Denmark, so I'm gonna have to buy one at the home and look at.
Everyone. Hey, everyone. Hello, babes. Hello.
Oh, look, it is me.
Been on a run already, you mean?
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah, how long have you been here for?
I need to go 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes. This
Yeah.
is nice, isn't it? These are
What
alright.
do you
These
think?
are. We didn't
like,
try these on last time, did we?
No. Do you like them?
Yeah.
I'm a fan.
Slippery.
You okay? Got a bit done. Well, come on, I know I've got to do my medal on now. Yeah, I was banging. I had them done, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had them done with Kev. Hello. Did you get your kit now then? Oh, sweet. Yeah, see you, Kev. Yeah, love you.
I'm not sure. I like it.
I like it.
Do you? It's quite summery, but I'm not sure.
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, not bad. Happy to be back.
You're right.
How are you guys?
Good, thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah, good.
You happy to be back?
It's always good to see your smiling faces.
Oh yeah. It's always smiles on day one, isn't it?